campers, George here, and miserable day outside. It's snowing again, and another spring storm in Minnesota. But I wanted to share something with you. I was working on going through my fly fishing backpack that I take with me when I'm going to spend a day out fly fishing, and just going through making sure everything's there. Don't know why. I pulled out, and per normal me, I have a small survival bag, just a very, very basic survival kit. There's other stuff that's with it in there, and you can see in there. What I wanted to show you, and this is something that everybody should consider, and they're often forgotten, and that is these little guys, the small little multi-tools that you can get. They're fairly inexpensive, and they're light, small, compact, and have just about everything you're going to need for it. This is my GERBER SPLICE, which goes in my emergency kit that I have in my fishing backpack, and that's my 2-minute tip. You need to take multi-tools. Add them to your 10cc's list. You won't regret it, I promise. Just saying. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, you know the story. And I'm pretty sure I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.